Hi, my name is Sumit Mohanty, and my startup name is Ficolink Technologies Private Limited. We are based out of Cradle in the Entrepreneurship Development Institute in Ahmedabad. We are an agricultural and environmental biotechnology company, and we are a team of 8 people, out of which most of us are microbiologists, biotechnologists, and biochemical engineers. I myself am a biochemical engineer from IIT Kharagpur. And so for the past 4 years, our primary field of work has been in the use of microalgae. We have developed a unique technology in which microalgae can be preserved in a live form for more than 2 years. Now, this technology, we are in the process of patenting it. Now, this product that we have developed, microalgae based product, has several applications. One of the major applications is in the field of environment, wherein we have used it for treating various kinds of complicated liquid wastes, various kinds of industrial effluents, and from the chemical industry, pharmaceutical industry, textile industry, electroplating industry, and so on and so forth. Now, another avenue which we have recently opened up and which shows a lot of potential for us is in the space of agriculture. Now, the product that we have developed, the live microalgal preserve that we have developed, has found a lot of use in enhancing farm productivity, in increasing the crop produce per hectare, in reducing disease incidence in the farms, in enhancing soil health. Now, all of this taken together is a step towards doubling the farmers' income, which is a vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, and that is a goal that we are working towards. Cradle's journey has been extremely important in our journey as a startup. We founded the company in 2016, February, and we came to Cradle exactly a year after. And our growth has been significant after we came to Cradle, and Cradle has had a big role to play in that. One of the major benefits that we got here in Cradle was that we got an office space immediately. We got the required mentorship that several experts at Cradle, as well as several industry experts, also provided us through this platform. As a biotechnology startup, one of the issues that we had was that we needed to set up a lab somewhere, and Cradle was kind enough to give us the required lab space, and we still conduct all our R&D from this place. And after some time, we had to manufacture our product, our algae-based product somewhere. So Cradle also allotted us a significant amount of land in which we are currently manufacturing, and we have set up a manufacturing plant. So we are taking kitchen waste from Cradle, and we are growing algae on that waste and recycling the water, and the algae is essentially the raw material for our final product. Now, Cradle's role was also instrumental in helping us secure several funds. So Cradle helped us get a Government of Gujarat Startup Fund. Cradle helped us, get connected us to HDFC, and we secured the CSR funds from HDFC. Cradle also, took us to Vibrant Gujarat, wherein we were in the top 3 startups there in terms of innovation. Apart from that, Cradle's role, Cradle's mentorship has been extremely crucial for us. And my advice to all young startups that I meet is get a good incubator, and Cradle has been one for us. Thank you.